Hachama, welcome to Cooking with Deli. Today, we're making onigiri for hashtag Hachama Restaurant. But not just any onigiri, we're going to be filling our onigiri with two of my favorite meats, smoked salmon and Texas-style brisket. We're going to start by making a cure for this salmon. We need brown sugar, salt, and black pepper. Mix it all together, put it on your fish, wrap it up, and refrigerate overnight. Next, it's time for the brisket. I'm seasoning with my usual salt, pepper, garlic, and Texas rub blend, as well as some special ingredients I'm testing out. We're gonna cook this bad boy low and slow for 8 to 12 hours. It's the middle of the night and the brisket is ready for wrapping. Once wrapped, we'll then throw it in the oven until it reaches an internal temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to cut this brisket up real quick. I'll be separating the point from the flat because I think the point will make a better filling for our onigiri. Meanwhile, I've taken the salmon out of its wrapping. I let it sit in the fridge for a long time to allow it to form a pellicle, and I've got that rolling on the smoker as well. Now all we have to do is make some rice. I like to use a mold. I'm going to create some void space for the filling. Place your brisket and salmon inside, close it up, then compress with the mold, and your onigiri is done.
Finally, some good fucking food.